Reports is where you stop guessing and start running the shop on numbers. 5 owner dashboards turn every receipt, order, expense, and time card into the answers that actually drive decisions. Click Order Analytics under Analytics in the sidebar to open the most visually loaded of the 5 reports. Order Analytics covers your KPI strip, peak hours and days, status breakdown, turnaround buckets, and an unpaid orders aging list. Use it daily to spot staffing gaps and recover unpaid pickups. Open the date range picker in the header to scope the report. Presets cover today through past year, plus a custom range. Starter tenants are capped at the last 30 days. Click Customer Analytics to switch reports. The date range and store filter carry over, so you keep the same scope. Customer Analytics surfaces top spenders, new customer trend, visit distribution, and churn segments. Pair it with the CRM page for reachability and campaigns. Click Profit and Loss for the bottom line view, revenue minus payroll minus expenses with a margin trend chart over the period. Heads up, opening any analytics page requires the View Reports permission. The default owner, admin, and manager roles have it. Cashier does not. Assign it to other roles and permissions if an accountant or branch head needs read-only access to the numbers.